Welcome to another video. Let's solve for all the integers of these equations. To start with, if you have 4 to the bracket x minus 1 divided by x all square equals to 5 minus bracket x negative 1 divided by x. And if you open the bracket, we get the above. So we are going to do the collection of the like terms. Here we have 4 bracket x minus 1 divided by x all square plus x minus 1 divided by x all bracket minus 5 equals to 0. And the next step is we are going to let a particular letter, so I'm choosing a equals to x minus 1 over x. And here we have a equals to x minus 1 divided by x. And anywhere we see this, we replace it with a. And here we have for a to the power of 2 plus we have a minus 5 equals to 0. And this is a very nice quadratic equations which you can obtain the root of it. And if you multiply 4 by 5, that is 20, and 4 and 5 are the two positive roots. But we are going to play with the sign. Let's go. Here if you have here we have 4a to the power of 2, and since we have a at the middle, so we are going to have this as 5a minus 4. So if we play with sign, minus 5 equals to 0. Now you can group this into 2. We have 4 times there. We have 4a squared plus 5a bracket. We take negative out and everything here becomes positive equals to 0. So we have a common thing at the first, which is a, and by taking a out we have 4a plus 5 minus 4a plus 5. Everything equals to 0. Here is 1. We can combine this as a minus 1 bracket 4a plus 5 equal to 0. And we can obtain the true value of a, where we have a minus 1 equals to 0, or 4a plus 5 equals to 0. A equals to 1, or a equals to negative 5 divided by 4. Have you got this step? And from what we let, a equals to x minus 1 over x, so we can start applying it here as we have x minus 1 divided by x equals to the first one, which is 1. And by doing the necessary thing here, let's say we multiply 2 by x and we collect the like time, we have the result as x squared minus x. And yeah, so we have minus x. So I've taken care of x, I've taken it here, and here is going to be negative, not plus. 1 equals to 0. So by doing the normal collection of the like terms and the LCM, since this is another quadratic, we can solve this using quadratic formula as a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, c equals to negative 1 as well. And the formula is x equals to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I'm following the letters I used. If you use any other letters, you make sure that it reflects here. So let's start input the values. You have b as 1 and plus or minus the root of minus 1 square minus 4. A is 1 and c is minus 1. Everything divided by 2 into bracket of 1. And the next step is we have x equals to 1 plus or minus the root of 1 square is 1 plus 4 divided by 2. And 1 plus 4 is automatically 5. And we have 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. Here we have 2x as x1 equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And we have x2 as 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So we have gotten two roots for the equation above. Let's see at a equals to minus 5 divided by 4 to see what we can get from this. And don't forget that if you have x, we have what we have above where we let is a equals to minus 5 divided by 4, and we have x minus 1 divided by x to be equals to this, which is minus 5 divided by 4. We can also do the normal collection of the left-hand LCM here. Here we have 4 brackets x minus 1 over x equals to, here is minus 5. And by expanding, and you can still multiply everything by x here, we have 4x minus 4 divided by x equals to minus 5. By multiplying throughout by x, we have 4x squared minus 4 equals to minus 5x. By collection the like terms, we have 4x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals to 0. And this is another beautiful quadratic equation which you can solve as a equals to 4, b equals to 5, and c equals to minus 4 rather. And we can plug in this quadratic formula. Everything we have here, we put it in this. We have x equals to, we have minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let's start the input. We have s equals to, we have minus 5 here, plus or minus the root of a is 5 squared minus 4, a is 4, and c is minus 4. Everything divided by 2 to the power bracket of 4, which is a. And the next step is x equals to minus 5 plus or minus the root of 5 squared is 25, and a is plus 64, because minus to multiply minus, that is plus, divided by 8. S equals to minus 5 plus or minus the root of, adding this together, we have 89 divided by 8. And at this stage, so we can get the true value of this, but I'm going to rewrite this thing as minus 5 plus or minus square root of 89 divided by 8. And where we have x1 again equals to minus 5. So I'm going with along the positive first, which is plus root of 89 divided by 8. And for the second one, along negative, we have minus 5 minus root of 89 divided by 8. So you see that we're able to get 4 different roots for the equations above. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget the steps I used. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bells, and like this video. I will see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Those who stop learning, stop living.